Man, that's a bright light. Well, where am I? Good evening, Norbert. We need to talk to you about that Squombie invasion. Oh, do I have to? Yes, you have to. It's for your own good. Oh, fine. It was a normal day in the city. Everybody was having fun walking, and then that's when it happened. I can't say anymore. You have to. You need to let it out. Okay, fine. The squids, they started to attack. I believe they would turn them into Squombies. They came from the shores. The government was fighting them off, but they weren't good enough. The Squombies just kept overrunning them. Even the powerfulest people. I can't spoil it. These people have to watch the movie. I don't see anybody. Enjoy the movie, guys.
Oh my gosh, who are you?
All this noise is going to draw attention. Just let me in!
You just killed that man.
You must let me in. Please, let me in!
No way you're getting in this house. Go away, I'm calling the police.
This is Waycross Nightly News with your host, Vivian Scar.
Breaking news. An unknown organism with parasitic traits is loose in the city. Stay inside. Authorities think there was some kind of accident in the Gulf of Mexico. Radiation may be involved. The effects of the spill on the wildlife is unknown at this time.
Well, I'm waiting for that explanation.
The spill affects the wildlife in the ocean, especially the squid. Something happens. If they get attached, you become like a zombie. I think they control you, like a puppet.
What the heck's all the noise?
This is Waycross Nightly News with your host, Vivian Scar.
This is Vivian Scar. We have some breaking news. Apparently, these creatures are being affected by an unknown agent.
You ruined my carpet! God!
Anything with more than 4 legs gives me the heebie-jeebies.
Okay, everyone, calm down. Hello!
Hey, how's it going?
We're great!
Kill it, kill it!
What's all that noise in the background?
Oh, TV's on, kids are in bed. Yeah, we're doing fine. Are you having a good time? Yeah, well don't worry. Take care.
Bad dog.
Bye.
Bad dog.
Hey,
That's a
wait.
very bad dog. Come on, let's get out of here. Fetch. Oh my God, did you see that?
Come on, children, hurry up.
Where are we going? Where am I? Who are you? While you've been getting some sleep, a lot has happened. Most of it not good. Well, what are you talking about?
Killer Squombies. Wait, who are you?
Name's Norbert. Your friendly neighborhood. Norbert. A spill in the Gulf mutated these squids, making these things, Squombies. If they get on people, what do you do if they get on you?
That's what we're trying to figure out, how to stop them. We're heading to his house, where we'll be safe.
Come on, kids, let's go.
Hey Norbert, remember me?
Hey, you wanna know where I'd get a drink from?
Yeah, try this.
This is good. What is it?
I call it 30 hour energy. Pretty strong stuff. You heard about the squillers?
No. What's a squiller?
They say they come out of the Gulf of Mexico. I think they're squids that have gone bad. One scared me so bad, I screamed and spilled my drink on it. I didn't like that because it disappeared.
You put me on. Where'd you get the name Garbage Truck?
I pick up a lot of useless information like garbage truck. Listen, I'm serious. You see one, don't let it near you. You'll be sorry if you do. I saw the broadcast on the news that said the Killer Squombies were in your town, so to make sure you survive, I brought you some extra 30 hour energy.
Oh, thanks.
Bye!
Find some place to put your things down. I'll find us something to eat. Yeah, I'm hungry. What do you got?
Where am I? This was all a dream. Go back to sleep. Fair enough.
What just happened?
I'm not sure, but it looks like we know how to get rid of the squambies.
Get off of me! What the heck just happened? Whoa, that stuff really works. We need to get the word out. Hey, we should go to the TV station. We should go there. That's our best bet.
If there's anyone left, I guess it is our best bet.
Are you tired of being tired? Do you want to go from 0 to a freak of nature in just 10 seconds? In today's world, you snooze, you lose. Sleep with your dead. 30 hour energy. Go buy some. Loser.
Warning, side effects may include nausea, despair, body, beady eyes, unexplained twitching, genetic mutations, in most cases death.
Well, what happened here? My gosh. Well, one of you has to say something. What you gonna say? I think you're better at this than me. I mean, being on camera.
Well, that's not the problem.
Ooh, what does this lever do? Oh, I did not do that. I better get someone. Oh, gosh. Come on, let's go to the studio. Hey, look at this place. Where is everyone?
Where's my hat? I feel so much better. This is Stormy McStormykins. The government is going to deal with these plague of creatures. Drastic measures are being considered. These pictures are live from the White House.
It's harder to be a president than I thought it would be.
What just happened?
I'm too famous for all of this.
What is that?
What's going on?
You're supposed to be a tornado or something?
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beauty wood, a neighborly day for a beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I've always wanted to live in a neighborhood with you, so let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please won't you be my neighbor?
I'm thirsty.